Shiv Baba is the one and only. You do remember, don't you?
एक मुरली वही हमारी लाठी बन करके रहे।
One Murli should only be our walking stick.
उस लाठी से ही हम पार जाएंगे।
We will go across only with that walking stick.
बाकी किसी के वाइब्रेशन में बंधना नहीं है।
We shouldn't be bound in anyone else's vibrations.
किसी से प्रभावित नहीं होना है।
We shouldn't be influenced by anyone.
किसी की वाचा में भी नहीं बंधना, किसी के वाइब्रेशन में भी नहीं बनना, किसी के कर्मों से प्रभावित भी नहीं होना। ये बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है।
We shouldn't be bound in anyone's words or vibrations. We shouldn't be influenced by anyone's work either, that this one is doing a very good work.
वो नहीं कर रहा है।
He isn't doing that.
ये बहुत अच्छी सेवा नहीं कर रहा है।
He isn't doing very good service.
कौन करा रहा है?
Who is making him do that?
बाप करा रहा है।
Student, Baba is making him do that. The father is making him do that.
इस समय बच्चे तो सारे ही तमो प्रधान बने पड़े हैं।
All the children have become Tamo Pradhan at this time.
चाहे एडवांस पार्टी के बच्चे हों, चाहे बेसिक नॉलेज आधारभूत पार्टी के बच्चे हों, सारे ही तामसी बने पड़े हैं।
Whether they are the children of the advanced party or of the basic knowledge, the root form party, all have become Tamsi.
तमो प्रधान आत्मा कोई सेवा का कार्य नहीं करती।
A Tamo Pradhan soul doesn't perform any task of service.
तो कौन करता है, कराता है?
Then, who does that or make them do that?
इस समय बाप दादा बच्चों में प्रवेश करके बच्चों से कार्य कराए रहे हैं।
Bap Dada is making the children perform the task by entering them at this time.
दृष्टि की पावर दे रहे हैं।
He is giving them the power of Drishti.
वाचा की पावर दे रहे हैं। अच्छी सेवा कराए रहे हैं।
He is giving them the power of speech and making them perform good service.
हम बच्चों को अहंकार आ जाता है कि हम बहुत अच्छी सर्विस कर रहे हैं।
We children become egotistic that we are doing very good service.
या हम दूसरों से प्रभावित हो जाते हैं कि ये बहन बहुत अच्छी सर्विस कर रही है, ये भाई बहुत अच्छी सेवा कर रहा है।
Or we become influenced by others that this sister is doing very good service or this brother is doing very good service.
और बस उसी में लटक पड़े।
And we get entangled in that very person.
आपस में ही एक दूसरे में लटक जाते हैं, देहधारियों में लटक जाते हैं और शिव बाबा को, बाप दादा को भूल जाते हैं।
We get entangled with each other in bodily beings and forget Shiv Baba, Bap Dada.
ये बाहर की दुनिया की बात सन्यासियों की बताई मिसाल दे करके।
It was said about the worldly sannyasis by giving their example.
लेकिन आधारमूर्त दुनिया में भी लागू होती है, वो तो समझ में आ रही है। लेकिन एडवांस पार्टी में भी यही धंधे चल रहे हैं।
However, it is understood that it is applicable to the root form world too. But this business is going on even in the advanced party.
You certainly don't say, this particular person is very good, do you? No. The Father has made them good. You receive the Father's drishti, the Father's sustenance through them. You listen to the Father's great sentences through them. This is a quality. This is called to be dear as well as detached. You may be dear to everyone, but not the one who traps others. They shouldn't remember you instead of the Father. They should remember you in order to take the Father's power, to listen to the Father's great sentences. This is called being dear as well as detached. Avyaktvani 30th March 1985, page 6, middle.
तुम सिवाय एक बाप के और किसको भी मान दे नहीं सकते।
You can't give respect to anyone else except for the one Father.
क्या?
What?
क्या कहा? तुम सिवाय एक बाप के और किसी को भी मान मर्तबा दे नहीं सकते।
What was said? You can't give respect and honor to anyone else except for the one Father.
ये क्या बात हुई?
What is this?
अव्यक्तवाणी में तो बोला है किसी का अपमान नहीं करना चाहिए।
In fact, it is mentioned in an Avyaktvani, you shouldn't insult anyone.
चलो ठीक है, अपमान नहीं करना चाहिए,
Alright, you shouldn't insult anyone.
लेकिन सभी को मान देना चाहिए,
But you should also give respect to everyone.
है? और सभी को मान दे, एक को दे मान।
Should you give respect to everyone or to the one?
नहीं,
Students, one. No.
देना तो सबको है, लेकिन जितना एक को देना है उतना और किसी को नहीं देना है।
You should give respect to everyone, but you shouldn't give respect to others as much as you give respect to the one.
अभी स्टेटस की बात बताई ना,
Now, it was said about status, wasn't it?
तो बोला और किसी को तुम इतना मान नहीं दे सकते।
So, it was said, you can't give so much respect to anyone.
सब आर्टिफिशियल है,
Everyone is artificial.
क्यों नहीं मान दे सकते?
Why can't you give respect to them?
सब झूठे हैं, आर्टिफिशियल हैं।
Everyone is false. They are artificial.
इसलिए भारत में सिर्फ एक की ही कथा गाई जाती है। कौन सी कथा? सत्यनारायण की कथा गाई जाती है। सत्य लक्ष्मी की भी कथा नहीं गाई जाती है। सत्य जगदम्बा की भी कथा नहीं गाई जाती है। माना सब आर्टिफिशियल झूठे हैं।
This is why only the story of one personality is famous in Bharat. Which story? The story of Satyanarayan is famous. Even the story of Satya Lakshmi isn't famous. The story of Satya Jagadamba isn't famous either. It means everyone is artificial and false.
The Father has considered you souls to be worthy and made you His own. He has accepted you, saying, "You are mine, I am yours." The soul whom the Father chose, he certainly becomes priceless, as God has His eyes on him. He certainly becomes the elevated soul of the Ishwariya world because of the Supreme Soul's drishti. As they come in relation with Parasnath, they are certainly colored by Paras. The billion souls of the entire world are on one side, but you 5 Pandavas are more powerful compared to them. The billions aren't equal to even one person in front of you. You are so powerful. You are priceless, but you are priceless because of the Father's company. Avyaktvani 2nd March 1985, page 1, middle.
8 बच्चे वो ऐसे हैं जो हैं तो नंबर 1, लेकिन फिर भी है किसकी औलाद?
The 8 children are such who are certainly number wise. Still, whose progeny are they?
सूर्य की औलाद।
They are the progeny of the sun.
वो सुर को पकड़ने वाले हैं।
They tread in tune.
क्या?
What?
कान से धारण करने वाले हैं।
They assimilate it through the ears.
उनकी दृष्टि में और कोई दुनिया में नहीं समाता।
No one else in the world is merged in their vision.
एक बाप दूसरा कोई।
One father and no one else.
वाचा से महिमा करेंगे तो एक की करेंगे।
If they praise someone through words, they will praise the one.
एक के मुकाबले किसी और की महिमा उनके मुख से उतनी महिमा उतनी। वैसे तो सभी को गुण देखते हैं।
They won't praise anyone else through their mouth to that extent compared to the one. As such, they see everyone's virtue.
लेकिन जो एक की महिमा बुद्धि में भरी होती है वो दूसरे के लिए नहीं हो सकती।
However, the praise of the one they have in their intellect, they can't have it for others.
One strength, one faith means you should always have faith that the Murli of the corporeal one itself is Murli. The Srimad that you receive from Madhuban itself is Srimad. You can't find the Father anywhere else except in Madhuban. Always have faith in the knowledge of the one Father. The lesson of knowledge that is passed by Madhuban, that itself is knowledge. Nothing else is knowledge. Pay attention to the Murli that comes from Madhuban, otherwise you will go astray. It is in Madhuban where Baba narrates the Murli. It is in Madhuban where Baba comes. This is why every child should be careful, otherwise Maya will deceive him. Avyakt Vani 11th April 1982, page 365, middle.
कोई ऐसे हैं जो बाप के विमुख नहीं होते हैं,
There are some who are not Vimukh with the father,
परिवार के विमुख हो जाते हैं.
but they become Vimukh with the family.
अरे बाप,
Arey, if there is the father,
तो बाप के साथ परिवार भी है या नहीं है?
is there the family along with him or not?
हैं? कि बाप सन्यासी है,
Or is the father a sannyasi?
प्रवृत्ति मार्ग के धर्म की स्थापना करके जाता है,
Does he establish the religion of the household path, that is, Pravritti Marg,
या निवृत्ति मार्ग के धर्म की स्थापना करके जाता है?
or does he establish the religion of path of renunciation, that is, Nivritti Marg, before going?
प्रवृत्ति मार्ग की स्थापना करके जाता है.
He establishes the household path and goes.
तो बाप की महिमा नहीं कर पाएंगे मुख से,
So, they won't be able to praise the father through their mouth,
और बाप के परिवार की भी महिमा मुख से नहीं कर पाते.
and they are unable to praise the family of the father through their mouth either.
ऐसी आत्माएं फिर उनको सन्मुख नहीं कहा जा सकता.
Then, such souls cannot be called Sanmukh.
आज नहीं तो कल फिर क्या होता है?
If not today, what happens tomorrow?
आज नहीं तो कल वो नीचे गिरते हैं.
If not today, they fall tomorrow.
नीचे गिरते से उससे क्या होता है?
What happens when they fall?
दूसरे धर्म में खिसक जाएगी, आत्मा अधूरी रह जाएगी.
They slip into another religion. The soul will remain incomplete.
पूरी पढ़ाई नहीं पढ़ पाते हैं,
They are unable to study the complete knowledge.
कुसंग में आ जाते हैं.
They come in bad company, kusang.
You are influenced by the momentary influence of the souls sometimes, and you notice how they act, how they speak. For this very reason, the force of your authority that you should have becomes weak when your vision goes somewhere else. It is because this is also a very subtle rule. However, your promise is there won't be anyone except the one in your vibrations, in listening, in seeing, in thinking. Doing something by keeping the influence of souls in your intellect, or seeing the influence of souls, this also breaks the subtle link. And as the link breaks, the level of the almighty authority that you should have changes. Avyakt Vani dated 9th October 1971, page 190, middle.
एक बाप ही सब कुछ है. इसको कहा जाता है वफादार.
The one for whom the Father alone is everything is called loyal.
अगर पदार्थ की भी आकर्षण है, साधनों की भी आकर्षण है, तो साधना खंडित हो जाती है.
If you have attraction for even objects and means, your sadhana is broken.
वफादारी खंडित हो जाती है.
That is the breach of loyalty.
और खंडित वस्तु कभी भी संपन्न, कभी भी पूज्य नहीं गाई जाती.
And a broken object is never praised to be complete or worship-worthy.
तो चेक करो कि संकल्प में भी कोई आकर्षण बेवफा तो नहीं बना देता है.
So, check if there is any attraction even in thoughts that makes you disloyal.
अगर जरा भी किसी के प्रति विशेष झुकाव है, थोड़ा भी पर्सनल झुकाव है, चाहे किसी के गुण के ऊपर, चाहे उसकी सेवा के ऊपर, चाहे उसके अच्छे संस्कारों के ऊपर, अगर एक्स्ट्रा प्रभावित है तो उनको वफादार नहीं कहा जाएगा.
If a person has even a slight personal bias or inclination, especially towards someone, whether due to their virtues, service, or good sanskars, and if they are extra influenced by these factors, they won't be considered loyal.
प्रभावित माना है, प्रभावित माना उनकी प्रजा बनने वाले, उनकी रचना बनने वाले.
Influenced means you will become their subject, their creation.
सबकी विशेषता, बेहद की विशेषता पर आकर्षित हैं, वो तो दूसरी बात है।
If you're attracted towards everyone's unlimited speciality, that's another thing.
लेकिन किसी विशेष व्यक्ति व वैभव के ऊपर आकर्षित नहीं होना चाहिए।
However, you shouldn't be attracted especially towards any person or luxury.
अगर ऐसा होता है तो वफादार की लिस्ट में खंडित गाया जाएगा।
If that happens, you will be said to be in the list of those who have breached loyalty.
चेक करो कि खंडित मूर्ति तो नहीं है।
Check if you aren't a broken idol.
पूज्य है।
Are you worship-worthy?
पूजा का आधार क्या होता है?
What is the basis of worship?
प्योरिटी।
Purity.
तो मन से, वचन से, कर्म से कहीं भी अगर बेवफा बनते हैं, बाप के प्रति पूरे वफादार नहीं है, कोई और के प्रति वफादार बनने लग पड़ते, तो पवित्रता जैसे खंडित हो गई।
If you become disloyal through mind, speech or actions anywhere, if you aren't completely loyal towards the Father, if you start becoming loyal towards someone else, it is as if your purity is broken.
The seed of being defeated in purity is to be influenced by any person or any person's virtue, nature, personality or speciality. To be influenced by a person or a corporeal form is not to be influenced, but is to be ruined. A person's individual speciality, virtue or nature is the speciality given by the Father. That is, it is the gift of the giver. To be influenced by a person is to be deceived. To be deceived is to suffer sorrow. The power of impurity is a power equal to mirage. It feels very good. It attracts you while coming in contact or relation. You think, I am being influenced by goodness. This is why you utter these very words or think, I like him or her a lot. I like their virtue or nature. I like their knowledge. I like their way of organizing yoga. I receive power from it. I receive help. I receive affection. You make attainments for a short period, but you are actually deceived. You eliminated the giver, that is the seed, the foundation, and are swinging by holding the colorful branches. Then what will be your condition? Will a branch without a foundation make you swing or make you fall? Unless you experience the nectar of all the relationships, all the attainments from the seed, that is the giver, the bestower, you will keep being deceived by different branches, sometimes by a person, sometimes by grandeur, sometimes by vibrations, atmosphere and so on, because of the mirage-like momentary attainments. To be influenced like this means to be deprived of the imperishable attainment. To come out from the Supreme Soul's influence into the influence of souls means you didn't know or recognize the Father. The Father isn't the Father in front of such ones, but is in the form of Dharmaraj. Where there is sin, the Father is absent. So don't be careless. Don't consider this to be something trivial. Avyaktvani dated 12th April 1984, page 1 middle, page 2, beginning.
जो स्नेही आत्मा होती है उसके लिए एक बाप ही संसार है।
For a loving soul, only the one Father is their world.
सदा श्रीमत का हाथ मस्तक में अनुभव करते हैं।
They always experience the hand of Srimad on their head.
अविनाशी स्नेह सारा कल्प स्नेह ही बनाई देता है।
Imperishable love makes you loving throughout the cycle.
तो हर एक अपने आप को चेक करो कि सदा दिल के स्नेह का अनुभवी हूँ।
So, each one of you should check yourself. Am I always experiencing love from the heart?
बीच बीच में कोई स्नेह में लीकेज हो जाती है
Is there any leakage of love in between?
माया लीकेज तो नहीं कराती रहती।
Does Maya keep causing leakage?
माया का काम क्या है?
What is Maya's task?
लीकेज कराना।
To cause leakage.
और जब लीकेज होता है तो अनिश्चय आ जाता है।
And when leakage takes place, doubt develops.
अनिश्चय आ जाता है तो बाप से दूर हो जाते हैं।
When doubt develops, you become distant from the Father.
अगर कोई भी आत्मा की तरफ प्रभावित होते हैं,
If you are influenced by any soul,
कोई भी आत्मा,
it may be any soul,
चाहे उसकी विशेषता पर प्रभावित होते हो, चाहे विशेष गुण पर प्रभावित होते हो,
whether you are influenced by his specialities or any particular virtue,
तो परमात्म प्यार के अंदर अविनाशी के बदले लीकेज हो जाता है।
then instead of experiencing imperishable God's love, a leakage takes place.
तो लीकेज क्यों होता है?
So, why does leakage takes place?
है इसलिए होता है कि आत्माओं का प्यार व्यभिचारी बन जाता है।
It takes place because the love of souls becomes adulterous.
अगर एक बाप के प्यार में डूबे हुए हो तो लीकेज होने की संभावना ही नहीं है।
If you are immersed in the love of one Father, then there is no possibility of leakage at all.
इसलिए हरेक अपने आप को चेक करे।
Therefore, each one of you should check yourself
कि लीकेज वाले सदा के स्नेही, सदा बाप के साथ, सदा बाप के हाथ का वरदान माथे पर हो, ये अनुभव नहीं कर सकते हैं।
that those who have a leakage cannot experience of being constantly loving, being always in the Father's company, or having the Father's hand of blessings constantly on their head.
इसलिए ज्ञानी तू आत्मा बाप को प्रिय है।
This is why the knowledgeable souls are dear to the Father.
प्रभावित हो गए माने प्रजा बन गए।
If you became influenced, it means you became a subject.
जिनसे भी प्रभावित हुए उनकी प्रजा बन गए।
You became the subjects of those by whom you are influenced.
वो यहाँ ब्राह्मणों की दुनिया में भी शूटिंग हो रही है।
That shooting is happening here in the Brahmin world as well.
शिव बाबा की बातों से प्रभावित नहीं होते।
Such ones don't become influenced by the words of Shiv Baba.
ब्रह्मा की बातों से प्रभावित नहीं होते।
They don't become influenced by the words of Brahma.
आपस में जिनको गुरु बना के बैठते हैं या जिनसे मित्रता करते हैं उनसे प्रभावित हो जाते हैं।
They become influenced by those whom they make a guru amongst themselves or those with whom they have friendship.
तो प्रजा बन जाते हैं।
So they become their subject.
You have been influenced by the Father along with your body, mind and intellect. When your mind and intellect have been influenced by the One, by the highest of the high, how can you be influenced by someone else? If you are influenced by someone else, what will that be called? To use for yourself something which you have given away is called breach of trust. When you have given your mind and intellect, how are they yours that you become influenced by someone else? Have you handed them over to the Father, or have you kept half and given away the other half? Those who have given it fully, raise your hand. Look, what is the fundamental Maha Mantra of the Brahmin life? Manmana Bhav. That is, merge in my mind. So, haven't you become Manmana Bhav? A merciful soul, who is also knowledgeable, can never be influenced by any soul because of his virtues, because of his service, because of receiving any kind of help from him. Because of being an unlimited Vairagi, he won't be able to see anything except affection, cooperation and company of the one Father. It just won't come in his intellect. I will get up with you. I will sleep with you. I will eat with you. I will do your service. I will become Karma Yogi along with you. This is the very awareness that soul always has. Though he receives help from some elevated soul, who is even his giver? So, his intellect will go towards the one Father alone, won't it? Take help, but you shouldn't forget who the giver is. Srimad is of the one Father. If some soul who is instrument reminds you the Father's Srimad, it won't be called her Srimad. But she reminds you to follow the Father's Srimad and also makes others follow it. The souls who are instruments, elevated souls, will never say, "Follow my directions." They won't say, "My direction itself is Srimad." To remind someone of Srimad again, this is called taking and giving accurate cooperation. Avyaktvani dated 31st March 1990, page 206, beginning.
दूसरों के प्रभाव में न जाएं, इसके लिए क्या करना है?
What should you do so that you aren't influenced by others?
ये तो बाप की बात माननी है,
You should follow the words only of the one Father.
कोई की बात नहीं सुननी है।
You should follow the words of only the one Father.
क्या?
What?
दूसरों की सुनते हैं तभी तो प्रभावित होते हैं।
You become influenced only when you listen to others.
तो एक बाप से प्रभावित होना है।
You should be influenced only by the Father.
प्रभावित माने प्रजा।
The one who becomes influenced, it means he is a subject.
जो यहाँ किसी से प्रभावित होते हैं, वो वहाँ 84 जन्मों में उनकी प्रजा बनेंगे।
Those who become influenced by someone here, they become their subjects in the 84 births there.
इसलिए हमें किसकी प्रजा बनना है?
This is why, whose subject do we have to become? Student of the Father.
प्रजा ही बनना है तो एक बाप की प्रजा बनना है।
Even if we have to become subjects, we will become the subjects of the one Father.
भले फर्स्ट क्लास प्रजा बने, सेकंड क्लास प्रजा बने, थर्ड क्लास या फोर्थ क्लास भी प्रजा बने।
No matter whether we become the first class subjects, the second class subjects, the third class subjects, or even the fourth class subjects.
लेकिन किसकी बनना है?
But whose subjects do we have to become?
एक बाप की प्रजा बनना।
We have to become the subjects of the one Father.
और बाप तो हमें प्रजा पद देने नहीं आए हैं।
And the Father didn't come to give us the position of a subject.
बाप हमें क्या बनाने आए हैं?
What has the Father come to make us?
राजा बनाने आए हैं।
He has come to make us kings.
तो राजा किसी से प्रभावित होता है क्या? अपनी प्रजा के अंदर।
So, does the king become influenced by anyone among his subjects?
नहीं।
No.
तो राजा बनने वालों की ये निशानी है।
So, it is the sign of those who become kings.
क्या?
What?
राजा वो बनेंगे जो एक बाप की श्रीमत पर चलेंगे।
Those who follow the Srimad of the one Father will become kings.
कोई की मत पर नहीं चलना है।
You shouldn't follow anyone else's opinions.
मुरली में तो यहाँ तक बोल दिया, लौकिक संबंधियों से न कुछ पूछना है और न उनकी मत पर चलना है।
It was said in the Murli even to this extent that you should neither ask anything from the Lokik relatives nor should you follow their opinion.
अगर उनसे पूछ के चलेंगे या उनकी मत पर चल पड़ेंगे तो 84 जन्मों में से कोई न कोई जन्म में उनकी प्रजा बनना पड़ेगा।
If you act asking them or start following their opinion, you will have to become their subjects in some of the births among the 84 births.
क्योंकि प्रभावित हो गए।
It is because you became influenced by them.